Respected press members, respected print media, respected electronic media, respected center head, respected central office head, respected teachers, and everyone, good morning everyone. We are all here gathered here to celebrate the JEE Mains second level results, apart from the results and ranks also. Narayana achieved a cracking result in a JEE Mains second level. Narayana achieved a 1, 4, 1, 10, 14, 14, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 25, 27, 27, 29, 30, 32, 37, 40, 40, 55, 56, 61, 64, 66, 72, 73, 74, 76, 97. Like that, all over India, 100 below open category ranks, we secured a 29 ranks. We secured a 29 ranks in open category allowed. And also in open category and all over India, below 1,171 students are secured in a open category rank. That means in a 100 below, we captured the 30% of all over India result as a single education institution. That means out of 129 means 29% of seats we achieved in a open category rank below 100. Even though if it comes to the overall 1,000 below ranks, we achieved a 17.1% of the seats below 1,000 open category rank. Apart from the open category rank, caste-wise category rank SC, ST, BC, OBC and women's category, we have secured a lot of ranks. Narayana used to crack every year result. We proven this one. This year also we proven with a extraordinary result. Apart from that, we are very happy to sit here. We contributed a result in all over India, from the Assam Guwahati Coaching Center and Guwahati schools also. We contributed, those who are standing behind us, they contributed a rank in a JEE level marks. Then they are going to appear IIT. Within a short period we will meet an advanced level result also. This is not a single time. We are proven that already. We are proven in the CBSE 10th class results also. 499, 498, 498, 498. We are achieving continuous success rate is there in the Narayana. We are going to celebrate. The celebrations will be continuous. Why we are sitting here means we are able to contribute in all over India Narayana result. In Assam state also, from the Guwahati schools and the Guwahati coaching center, we are contributing. The examples are, they are standing and behind me. That's it. Thank you, one and all.
This is Ahmed Basha, a regional academic head, looking after the coaching center academics. Welcoming you all today for this press meet here in Guwahati Center we have. We are from Narayana and we are very proud to announce this results of JEE Session 2. And now the result along with the AIR, All India ranks, also been announced in the by the NTA here. So we proud to announce the results in front of you. It is All India rank 1 in girls category, that is secured by Narayana this year. And every year we are in the top category ranks, and not only in the top category ranks, we have been selecting the students in the high stake examinations like JEE Main as well in the advanced examination, qualifying as well as getting the top ranks and top AIRs, right? So as sir explained, the rank once again, All India Girls category rank 1 and All India Open category rank 10, rank 14, rank 17, rank 19, rank 21, rank 23 and rank 24, 25, right? So All India Open category up to 25 if you take. So we have 9 ranks including rank 1 of female category topper, right? And in JEE, 100 percentile is very important for a student securing this AIRs consecutively year on year, and we have 7 students who secured 100 percentile in the JEE Session 2 and clubbing of Session 1 and Session 2. So that's a highlight of this JEE results. And apart from that, we have wonderful results to be celebrated here in Guwahati branch of Assam State. So the press meet will be released soon after you with the details of the students here. And I congratulate the students behind me of 4 students from this Guwahati Center who secured 99 percentile and above. So they are going to participating in the again high stake exam of 17th May, which is going to held, that is advanced exam. So I wish you all the best, all the qualifiers of JEE main in session 2. And yeah, over to Tavneet sir as center head here in Guwahati branch. Will take forward to announce the Guwahati branch result.
आवाज आ रहा है clear? तो good afternoon everyone. I am Tavneet. I am the center head here at Narayana Coaching Center. So I will be presenting the results from our Guwahati Center school and the coaching center as well. So topper from Guwahati, from Narayana, is 99.61 percentile, Arav Devraj. Then followed by Ayan Kashyap. Ayan has secured 99.42 percentile. And then we have Arnav with us. Arnav has secured 99.02, and then Garima, she is having 96 percentile. All of these students, they have performed very well. They have carried the name of the Narayana brand forward. Last 47 years of legacy we are having of giving top results every year, and we are very proud to take this further from the Guwahati Center. Thank you everyone.